right, y'all, today we got something a little bit different. Asian style beef and noodles. Hey, I know what y'all thinking, Bruce, and Asian style food? Trust me, y'all, it's gonna be great. About 15 minutes, we're gonna be done with this, be plating it up and ready to eat it. Come on with me, I'll show you how to do it. Y'all, we're gonna get this beef cooking. First, we're gonna dump a little of this sesame oil on here. I like the sesame oil. Just gives it like a nutty flavor, something a little different, you know. All right, we're gonna chunk this on here. Well, this is just ground beef, so we want it to go everywhere. Every bite you need a piece of ground meat. So we're gonna get this going. Throw a little island stir fry on it, and here we go. I like a lot. Look at there. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this a little mix right now. Then we're gonna come back in just a few minutes when it's done and show you how to cook the rest of it. We're gonna mix this up a little bit more, then we're gonna put our noodles on. This is about 80% done, I would guess. I know it's smelling good, y'all. Probably gonna add a little more seasoning though. Let me add a little more in this stir fry seasoning, island stir fry, just to make sure we got enough. All right, one more mix. Let that be going in. All right, we're gonna throw our noodles on here next. This is already cooked noodles. We're gonna basically just warm them up. That's all we're gonna do here. I've never seen them like this before. I found them in the grocery store, so we're gonna try them. I'm gonna squirt a little water in here. Make sure they loosen up good. I mean, since we gotta go fast today, I'm thinking this is a pretty good way to cook stuff, you know. It's already kind of cooked. I think it'd be great to take camping and do, you know. Well, these noodles are pretty good, y'all. I ain't never cooked noodles this fast. All you gotta do is make sure you keep water on them. Loosen them up a little bit. Now I gotta do the main thing. I gotta taste this. Hey, that's a good way to go. All right, y'all, we're gonna get our stir fry sauce. Fixing to light all this up. We saved this for the end because it got sugar in it. You know what sugar does? It burns. A little soy sauce. We got low sodium of all things. Soy sauce. That's Miss Janet bought this. I don't want to even be accused of this. I put a lot on here. I like a lot. Then we're gonna get everything kind of tossed together. I like to mix this meat again. Make sure the seasoning's all through it good. Soy sauce. All right. Same with the noodles. Mix it together. Make sure everything's good. Might need a little more soy sauce, I think. Get in there. I don't know. I like to get these noodles a little darker color. You see them? The soy sauce will do that part. All right, y'all, we're gonna mix it all together now. That's pretty good, y'all. All right, y'all, we need about one more minute, and then we're gonna plate it up, so we'll be right back. Keep watching. All right, we got all this mixed up good. It's time to plate it up. Get our scoop. We're gonna plate it up, then we're gonna bring it over here. Got a few little touches we want to add to it. I'm gonna cut up these green onions and just drizzle them on there. And put a little sesame seeds on it, which we're doing. And it's just looking pretty. All we gotta do is eat it now. Cooking don't have to be hard, y'all. It really don't. Most of our food coming up, we cooked it fast, most of it, you know, because my grandma and them worked in the field half the day there, most of the day, when she'd come in and eat and had to throw something together to eat. It's just the way we did things back there. I liked it that way. Still like it that way. I mean, y'all seen it. It took about maybe 10, 12, 15 minutes at the most. This is really good. It's quick, it's fast, something good to feed the family. So, I'm gonna bring it to them now.
Tonight you're cooking with the alligator.